We'll guide you through how to make your own Discord bot. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. After the browser opens, search for Discord bot developer using the search bar. Type the words Discord bot developer and press enter on your keyboard to start the search. When the search results appear, look for the official website and click the website to open it. Once the page loads, log in using your Discord account by entering your account information. After you successfully enter the website, look at the top right corner of the page and click Create. Then click Build a Bot to begin creating your bot. After that, give your bot server a name by typing the name you want to use. Next, set the icon and banner according to your preference by uploading the images you want to use. After setting the appearance, enable Presence Intent by turning on the option. Then enable Server Members Intent in the same settings section. Next, enable Message Content Intent so the bot can read message content. After enabling these options, reset the token for your bot. When the confirmation message appears, click Yes, do it, and the token will be created automatically. After the token is created, copy the token that appears on the screen. Once you have copied the token, open the BotGo's dashboard website in your browser. When the website opens, log into the website using your account information. After logging in, you will see several tutorial steps on the screen. Click Next on all of the tutorial steps to continue. When you reach the Setup section, paste the token that you copied earlier into the provided field. After pasting the token, click Complete Setup to finish connecting your bot. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the page and click the up arrow logo. After clicking the arrow icon, click Link Discord account to connect your Discord account. Then click Join Discord server to continue the process. The website will provide an account link. Copy the account link that appears on the screen. After copying the link, paste the account link into your server invitation area. Once the link is pasted, you will receive your bot server link. Click the link that appears. After clicking the link, your bot server will be created automatically and will be ready to use.